Literarily, every sailor from Moonside to Salt Flat knows Snaffles is no ordinary hound, but a ghost-stitched beast of bell-metal blood, sprung from the sound of something older than thunder. She dreams in cowbell frequencies and remembers lifetimes through scent trails curling in 11 dimensions. And when she runs, she does not run, she collapses into a loop, the looped, skipping rope galloping through Everglades made of wet velvet and fever thoughts, each paw print blooming like a wet rose on the face of chronology, and back aboard the Endeavor, the crew hammocks in a hush of pre cosmic lullaby, sipping fermented stardust and waiting for the bell's bronze bite to slice through reality, because the ship would not move without her, not an inch, not a tick, not a chirrup from the wormhole now. No, not until she returns, ears forward, tail like an antenna, tuned to myth, her presence the ignition key of fate's diesel heart, and no hawk call or skillet rap or haraboy incantation from the bone choir of the galley ghosts will ever summon her. No, sir, for she is bound only to cowbell, her name etched in the metal's ring, and when it chimes, truly chimes, she comes home through the dream hedges of the multiverse, snuffling like a divining road, trailing electric breath, and only then does the Endeavor shiver, purr, and pierce once more the bubble, thin skin of space time like a hound knife through buttered paradox.